In this video, we're going to talk about embedding links to your website. To get started, we're going to go to Manage, Packages, and you'll see that all of your packages are located here. And what you can do if you wanted to create a button on your website and embed this page, go all the way down and go right here to this link where you can copy it and embed it into the button that you wish for it to be linked to. So you can see when you click on that button, it takes you to your packages. And if you wanted to link a specific package group, you can go ahead and copy that link and copy the same process to embed into a different button on your website. So we're going to copy this link to this View Photo Booth Packages button, and you'll see that it takes us to our Photo Booth Packages group. You can even do the same process with specific packages. Say you only wanted them to see the standard package. You could incorporate that into whichever button you would like. You can also go to Manage, Website Integration. And when you come to this page, you see that the first two options are what we just talked about. You can get the embed code for your booking engine so clients can go through your packages. You can do a link only, customized link, or even a button. And with the link to a specific package, if you click that get embed code, it will give you the link to whichever package you choose. You can do the whole photo booth package group, or you can go to a certain package within your specific packages. With the sign in option, you can create a button on your website for the user to sign in, to make payments, complete any forms, anything like that. You can also do a link only, customized link, or a button. And down here you see that you have multiple options for lead forms, add-on galleries, staff profiles, mini sessions, anything like that. Just click that get embed code and you can get the link only or embed on your site. Some website builders will not allow you to have an HTML block to load into their builder, so you choose a link only option that would allow you to paste the link into a pre-made button on that website builder. In this case, I chose the add-on gallery. And what that link will do is once they click on the button, it will take them to a pre-made page about like this. So they can take a look at what add-ons you have for this option, and it'll bring them right back to the booking engine. To continue down the list, you could show the Book Now button, and you could have the text say anything you like get pricing. You can make a choice whether you want to show pricing or not, show all categories. Embedding links on your website is a great way to be transparent with your customers and show them the packages that you have to offer. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions, please reach out to our support staff. We'd love to help you.